Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Asia and this is a great time to be out here. It is like 8:30. It's still very light outside and this is really the only time I can get stuff done in the garden because it's just been so hot. Ask me why I garden in July. Ask me. I don't know. I don't know why I do this, but I found that there are some things that grow well. I'm thinking of lettuce, I'm thinking of peppers, sunflowers, which I just harvested. Supposedly cucumber is supposed to grow well, but it didn't grow well for me. Yeah, that's the state of the garden in July. I am trying to grow things, but I understand why people would say don't bother. There are so many insects. The weather is extreme and the bugs are out. I mean, I already said that. Okay, anyway, let's talk about what I'm supposed to be doing out here. I have some tomato seedlings that I would like to plant. Yes, I just went on a rant about what's not growing, but I'm still hopeful. I also have more lettuce seedlings. If you checked out my last video, you saw me grow lettuce from seed to harvest, and it is still very important to me to continue succession planting because something's got to be growing. And it's been lettuce so far, so I'm going to continue that. I'm going to start with the tomatoes. I'm going to get those into the raised beds back here, and then I'm going to continue with my lettuce. I'm going to plant the lettuce seedlings into small little pots like this. This is a 3-quart pot. This was like $1.99 at Home Depot, and I got like a dozen of these. So this is the size I'll be using for all of my lettuces for the rest of the summer. So I have a mix of soil here. I have coco coir, peat moss, and black cow manure. So that's what we're gonna create in this bin. And then I'm gonna get out of here because yellow fly. These seedlings are coming out of the same pot, and I am gently separating them by tugging at the roots. These two plants are starting off the tomato crop for the fall garden. I say that because as these plants grow, they will develop suckers. Suckers are additional plants that grow on the mother plant, like this one. I'll cut this off and treat it like a brand new plant. By continuing this practice throughout the summer, I'll have an abundance of tomato plants throughout the fall. Now I'll take this and plant it along with the 2 others. Look how pretty it is outside. Okay, here's my tomato seedling. And I picked this spot because it's already near a trellis, as you see. This tomato is going to be able to climb. Alright, it's time to mix soil for the lettuce seedlings. I'm adding compost to this bin. This bin already has coco coir, which is going to help retain moisture, and perlite, which are those little white balls you see. That's going to help aerate the soil. I went ahead and added those wood chips because, again, that's going to allow the water to flow through and out of the container instead of being clogged at the very bottom. A 1-inch layer will do just fine. Now I am gently separating my lettuce like I did with the tomato plant earlier. This way I get to have maybe 2 or 3 seedlings together in one pot instead of 5 or 6. Okay, so it's 10 p.m.-ish and I am all done. I am wrapping up. I have 11 new pots full of lettuce, and tomorrow I'm going to be taking some lettuce seeds and planting more. I want to continue this habit of succession planting. There's always going to be some action happening with the lettuce. Yeah, I guess that wraps up this video. Again, thank you for watching. Please give it a like if you liked it and if you learned something. Please comment, give me some suggestions and some tips, or just tell me, whatever you think. And yeah, subscribe to the channel to see more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.